Hi, good morning and welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2018 Mercedes-Benz E220 diesel Premium Plus convertible. Now this is the AMG line edition as well, but it's got some fantastic features and it's in absolutely wonderful order, having only one owner from new, and has got the Mercedes-Benz and Mercedes-Benz Specialist service history. Car's finished in the polar white paintwork and he's sat on the upgraded titanium and diamond cut finished alloy wheels. They're 19-inch alloy wheels. Polar white has to be probably the best colour combination, shows off all the details. So we've got the LED high performance lights, we've then got the diamond style encrusted front grille. This vehicle has the C220, so front and rear parking sensors, as well as the rear view camera. Now all the wheels are in beautiful order on this car. They are very, very nice alloy wheels, those 19-inch AMG titanium upgrades. I have wrote all the extras on this car. So the premium car, externally I've got the car locked at the moment because it's got keyless entry and keyless start. We do have this beautiful red roof with the contrasting cranberry interior also. Now I've got that up, I'm going to take it down soon. Now premium cars are keyless, so you get this little square on the door, and then if I was just to put my hand there, as you can see, and the mirrors pop out also. Keys are in my pocket. We've got 2 keys for the vehicle. As I say, this is a lovely, delightful one owner vehicle from new. White rear diffuser on a white car just sets it off with the twin tailpipes. We've got a set of AMG tailored boot mats in there that our detailers have washed, and they look as good as new. Now we'll fit them into the car. Just open the boot there on the key. As you can see there, tailored AMG boot mats or floor mats. But everything on the car is absolutely gorgeous, free from trolley dent, parking mark. All the bumpers are in great order, and also are the sides. Now when we detail the wheels, we'll remove and wash them, we'll paint the calipers, detail the discs, but both sides of the vehicle, you can really tell that the vehicle has been cherished from new. Now look at that, it looks as good with the roof up as it does with the roof down. Now that is absolutely gorgeous, that roof. It just stands out and looks exceptional. Put a cherished number on this vehicle and it would look absolutely brand new. Now, internally as we open up this vehicle, you can see there is a sense of occasion. We've got the cranberry interior, we've got the mixture of aluminium. Now inside, as I say, a Premium Plus car has this, so if you're not sure, listen up now. We have electric memory seats, both driver and passenger. We get heated seats, we get air scarf, which is the neck level heating, which then sends nice warm air through the headrest. This being a Premium Plus again gets the Burmister sound system, which is a very, very nice expensive extra. We get illuminated tread plates. Now the seats in the cranberry leather, they're electric, and the touring adjustment is also there, so I'll adjust it so you can see. So all the seats are adjustable, and also the headrests are also electric as well. So we've got total electric seats. Now when I open them up in the rear, that's then electric, and as you can see there, it slides forward also. So there's nothing manual to do, and then it'll slide back to the position it was last in. Now as I jump in, as I say, you don't need to put the key in, but you can remove this if you want to put the key in, because sometimes it can be a bit of a pain if you've got your door keys and you can't find your keys. Because I've had one of these and I always thought that. Now electric steering column as well on a Premium Plus car. DAB radio, so let's turn that off, let's turn the heater down. So, configuring internally the technology system, we've got DAB radio, we've got the satellite navigation, we've got the media player so you can Bluetooth stream from your phone, we've got Bluetooth telephone so I can answer the phone, then we've got the dynamic drive select so I can do, and then I can change sort of the setup of the vehicle depending on how I want it. I always have it in comfortable because it's nice. These are a gorgeous, gorgeous convertible to drive. As I say, my wife had one for a good year and it was lovely, lovely, lovely. Now, parking lines if you wish, as well as the parking sensors are down here front and rear. Now as I run through, the automatic transmission is on the stalk, so we just press that and that's it, it's parked. We've got cruise control, we've got, as I say, the electronic steering and the wipers, multifunction steering wheel with paddles, so we can use the paddles if you require. Volume, that all there controls the screen. So 54,624 miles. Now I'm going to pop the roof down, that just pulls on there, so I just pop that switch up and then the roof is totally automatic, and in one fell swoop it opens. Aluminium detailing, Burmister sound, there you go, there's the passenger side controls. Floors are perfect, we shampoo them, scrub them. This is a non-smoking car and very, very fresh smell throughout. A gorgeous, gorgeous piece of kit. Anybody who buys this will be absolutely over the moon. We got the black ash wood down the centre, very, very stylish, great mix of materials on these cars. Mercedes-Benz do know how to make a convertible luxury vehicle. Now in the rear of the car we've got the Isofix seats as well if you've got child seats, and we do have the Burmister sounds and speakers in there as well, and then the wind deflector is adjustable on, as you can see there. I'll pop that up, I'll pop it down, so that stops the wind coming blowing in your hair when you're driving along with your loved ones. Look at that, yes, it's from me all the way around. Just take a look at that. Roof off, air scarf on, keeping that neck warm, heated seats on, keeping your bum warm irrespective of the weather. Riding on the beautiful 19-inch titanium AMG line alloy wheels. It doesn't get better in convertible land in my opinion. With a 2-litre diesel engine, capable over 60 miles to the gallon. LED there, signature lights as you can see, high performance there. But a beautiful car and only one owner. And the Mercedes-Benz dealership history. So 3 stamps at Mercedes in dealership and 1 stamp at the Mercedes specialist local to us. Beautiful, beautiful car. So if that's for you, give us a call. You can put a reservation deposit on it. We'll get it ready, so you only need to visit our showroom once, and at which point then you have a test drive, have a coffee with us, go around the car, make sure it's exactly what you want, and then you can do a bank transfer in the showroom while you wait, or we can get your finance, or we can do your part exchange. As for now, thanks for watching our video. Check out our reviews, you'll see we're a 5-star dealer. Check out our Facebook, you'll see customers from all over the UK picking cars up from us. But as for now, thanks for watching my video and I look forward to your inquiry.